Hi, in this video, I will show you how to duplicate a WordPress page in just one click. Yes, you heard me right. I'll be saving you a lot of frustration and time by doing so. So without further ado, let me show you. But before we do that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? You've got superpower and it's about time you use it. Smash the subscription button so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you will be the first to watch and learn something new. So now that you've done that, let's go duplicate our WordPress page. This is how to duplicate pages on WordPress. So by default, WordPress does not allow this option, right? So to just do that, all you just have to do is you install a plugin called duplicator and install it, right? So it is zero. So just click on it and click on install. So after installing, you activate it. Now let's go back to our pages, and this is where the magic happens, right? You go back. So go back to the page and let it finish activating, and you're going to see that it is going to be active. So let's just give it some time. So upon refreshing our page, you see duplicate this page. So this is how to do it. Hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share, right? Till next time, I remember which is energy. Stay blessed. Bye.